The Notification Rules Report provides an easy way to view the notification rules established by account. To access the Notification Rules Report, click on Reports, Notification Rules. A report detailing the default account setting, notification condition, and contact information will be displayed by account number. The Account Number column will display the masked account number. The Account Settings column will display whether the account is set to Pay All or Return All. When the notification condition is set to Notify for all ACH debits, the Notification Condition column will display all debits. When the notification condition is set to Notify only when an ACH debit is over a certain amount, the Notification Condition column will display debits over, and the Debit Amount column will display the amount set. When the notification condition is set to Notify only when an ACH debit meets one or more of the following criteria, the Notification Condition column will display ACH debits. If the ACH debit was created from a payment made by check is selected, the Check column will display Y. If the ACH debit was created from a payment over the Internet is selected, the Internet column will display Y. If the ACH debit was created from a payment over the phone is selected, the Phone column will display Y. When the notification condition is set to Notify only when an ACH debit is received from a company not on the approved list or does not meet the parameters on the approved list, the Notification Condition column will display Company Not in Approved List. The Email and Cell Phone columns will display information that has been set in the notification rules.